Hey guys, welcome to another episode of FlyFishDan. I'm in Eastern Washington today. It's just before another big heat wave, so I thought I'd get out and do a little fishing on the freestone rivers. Hopefully get into some cutthroat. West Slope, that is. All right, let's go fishing. Light and fast today. I've got my 3-weight with me, and that tried and true Chernobyl hopper worked really well last time I was over here in Eastern Washington, and I'm hopeful that it'll work again today. Nothing more fun than fishing a 3-weight with a big dry fly like that. So much fun. Every fish seems big on a rod like that. All right, let's go fishing. Fish on. This doesn't look good at all. Oh man, see that drop off right over there? That nice little shelf? That is where I'll be making my first cast. Just a great little spot here. Yeah, feeling good about this. You know when you just get that feeling? Well, I've got it. Just a beautiful section here. Holy smokes. There we go, fish on. Oh, nice. Finally, a fish that came up and just committed. If I can get him over in the softer water. Sweet! Nice. Nice little trout. Nice. Oh, nice little trout. Thank you very much. There we go, fish on. Oh. There, yeah. Oh, that was tough. Oh, look at that. Already spit the hook. Nice fish. So a good tip when fishing rivers like this, where we started off that really nice drop off into deep water, that shelf will hold fish all day long. As you can see, I pulled 2 fish out, several other missed opportunities, but you always want to target those nice shelves that go across the river. The other is just right over my shoulder. As you can see, there is just a ton of different rocks and structures. Fish will hide underneath those and behind them and around them. You want to target this structure and some of the slow water between the rocks when you're fishing rivers. All right, there's your fly fishing tip of the day, and let's see if we can pull one out of here. Just got about an hour left because I am fishing the hoot owl hours. It's gonna be a hot one today, so I'm gonna stop fishing right around noon. Oh, missed that one. Dang it. Oh, that was a big fish. There we go, fish on. Oh yeah. It's not the same fish that whacked at it, but you know, I'm not gonna complain. Nice little fish. All right, buddy. Sweet. Well, it's noon, so it's time to stop fishing. Hoot owl hours are in effect with the hot weather. It was a good morning. Had a ton of opportunities. Holy smokes. I must have missed well over a dozen fish, but I ended up landing a few, which I'm very happy about. So thanks again for joining me on this quick fishing trip into the Cascade Mountains over in Eastern Washington, fishing some of these freestone rivers. All right, get out there and fly fish. All right, everybody, till the next time, fish on.